Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about lexical analyzer and its role. First topic is working of a lexical analyzer. A lexical analyzer, also known as a scanner, is a key component of a compiler or interpreter. It is responsible for breaking down the input text into a sequence of tokens, which are the smallest meaningful units of the programming language. The working of a lexical analyzer involves several steps. Input text. The lexical analyzer takes the input text as an input. This text can be a program written in a programming language. Tokenization. The lexical analyzer scans the input text character by character and identifies the tokens. Tokens can be keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, or punctuation symbols. For example, in the statement int x equals to 5, the tokens would be int x equals to and 5. Lexical analysis. Once the tokens are identified, the lexical analyzer performs lexical analysis on each token. This involves checking the token against the languages and grammar rules and determining its types and attributes. Error handling. If the lexical analyzer encounters an invalid token or a lexical error, it generates an error message and halts the analysis process. Output. The lexical analyzer generates an output, which can be a sequence of tokens or a symbol table containing the tokens and their attribute. This output is then passed to the next phase of the compiler or interpreter for the further processing. Next is tokenization process. In the input text, the lexical analyzer takes input text as a stream of characters, such as program's source code or a natural language sentence. Tokenization. The lexical analyzer performs the tokenization process, which involves dividing the input text into tokens. A token is a meaningful unit of the text, such as keyword, identifier, operator, or literal. Token generation. Based on the lexical rules, the lexical analyzer scans the input text and generates tokens. It identifies the starting and ending positions of each token in the input text. Lexical rules. The lexical analyzer follows a set of lexical rules to determine how the input text should be tokenized. According to the rules, define patterns for different types of tokens, such as regular expressions for identifiers or keywords. Next are types of lexical analyzers. The first is scanner and the second is a lexer. A scanner is a type of lexical analyzer that is responsible for breaking up the source code into a series of tokens. It is the first step in the compilation process and is responsible for identifying the structure of the code. A lexer is a type of lexical analyzer that is responsible for identifying the structure of the code or breaking it up into a series of tokens. It is the first step in the compilation process and is responsible for identifying the structure of the code. Lexical analysis techniques, regular expressions, and finite automata. Regular expressions are a powerful tool for defining patterns in a text. They can be used to specify the lexical structure of a programming language. Regular expressions are often used in lexical analyzers to recognize tokens. In finite automata, there are mathematical models that can be recognized patterns in a text. They consist of a set of states and transitions between states. Finite automata can be used in lexical analyzers to recognize tokens based on a predefined set of rules. Lexical Analyzer Generator Tools. Lexical Analyzer Generator tools such as Flex help automate the process of building lexical analyzers. These tools take a set of regular expressions and generate the corresponding finite automation. Lexical Analyzer Generator tools can greatly simplify the implementation of a lexical analyzer. Finite Automata. Finite automata, also known as finite state machines, are mathematical models used to describe and analyze systems with a finite number of states and transitions between those states. Role of lexical analysis. Finite automata play a crucial role in lexical analysis, which is the first phase of the compiler design process. They are used to recognize and classify tokens in a given input stream of characters. Non-deterministic finite automata. Non-deterministic finite automata (NFA) are computational models used in lexical analysis to recognize patterns or tokens in a given input stream. They are a fundamental concept in the field of automata theory and play a crucial role in the design and implementation of lexical analyzers. NFA consists of a set of state, a set of input symbols, a transition function, an initial state, a set of accepting states. The transition function determines the next state based on the current state and the input symbol. The NFA can transition to multiple states simultaneously, allowing for non-determinism. NFA can be represented using directed graphs where the states are represented as nodes and the transitions are represented as edges. Each edge is labeled with the input symbol that triggers the transition. NFA are particularly useful in lexical analysis as they can efficiently recognize complex patterns by exploring multiple possible paths simultaneously. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. In the context of lexical analysis, NFA are used to define the patterns or regular expressions that represent the tokens in a programming language. Each token is associated with a regular expression, and the NFA is used to match the input stream against these regular expressions. The non-determinism of NFA allows for efficient pattern matching by exploring multiple possible paths simultaneously. This is particularly useful in cases where the regular expressions have overlapping patterns or ambiguous matches. Once the NFA has recognized a token, it can be passed to the next stage of the lexical analysis process, such as constructing a parse tree or generating intermediate code. Overall, NFA play a crucial role in the lexical analysis phase of compiler design, enabling efficient and accurate recognition of tokens in a programming language. Fast Lexical Analyzer Generator. Flex is a fast lexical analyzer generator that is commonly used in the field of computer science. It is a tool that helps in the generation of scanners, also known as lexical analyzers, for programming languages and other text processing tasks. Role in lexical analysis. Flex plays a crucial role in the process of lexical analysis. It takes a set of regular expressions, also known as patterns, and generates efficient C code for recognizing and tokenizing the input text based on these patterns. The generated scanner can be then integrated into a large software system to perform lexical analysis. Some common issues in lexical analysis are error handling, handling complex input text, advancements in lexical analysis, regular expressions, lexical scanning. Conclusion. Lexical Analyzer is an important component of the ATC system that performs lexical analysis of the input source code. The Lexical Analyzer is a fundamental part of the ATC system, enabling efficient and accurate compilation of the source code. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe to the channel.